Hi guys and welcome to Carflix. Today we're going to be trying out the Turtle Wax Headlight Restorer to see how it performs on the Mazda MX-5 headlights. So without further ado, let's crack on with that video. So here is what the bottle looks like. You can get it from any major retailer like Amazon, etc. So the first thing I'm doing here is just using some normal glass cleaner to get all the contaminants off the headlight before we start putting this polish on. Then the same on the other side. According to the instructions here, all you do is rub a bit in with one side of the cloth, buff it until it's clean. It should be all done. Yeah, so here it goes. So that's how much I'm putting on. Let's see if it does the trick. Now buffing this was really hard work. You've got to press down really hard, and I continued to do this for about 5 minutes solid. Right. Oh my god, look at the yellow. Look at the yellow on here. Right, let's turn this over and buff this out. Oh my god, that is incredible. Literally, that's just gone in front of my eyes. That is mental. Look at that. That is so good. Wow, top marks for this. This is outstanding. So if you remember, the headlights were like this, but let's have a look after 2 buffs. Look at the difference that has made. What a difference. If you look between the left one and this one, my god, it looks like new again. So this is definitely worth having. So I am that impressed with the front of this car. We've actually decided to go around the back and do the backlights as well. So obviously they're the same age, they won't take as much abuse, but let's just go for it and just do the backlights as well. And look at this now. It's just like new again. It's so happy with this. Come out really well. So what can I say? This is super good value for money, and it lasts quite a long time as well. So if you want your front end lights doing, get them done. After using this stuff for 3 months, unfortunately it did start to deteriorate again, and they did go back to how they were. So I think this would be a really good fix just for temporary if you just wanted to make your car look good. But for long term, I'm afraid you're going to have to use some sandpaper and re-lacquer. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.